What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another recap. Today, recapping my trades. I took no trades, and I will be listing why. First, let's start with the draw. 4 hour, really quick. 4 hour. I was leaning bearish on pre-market. Just super overextended leg right here, and I wanted us to actually rebalance this whole range. Maybe in this gap, I had this 4 hour marked out because it was sitting in a really good standard deviation point. So I was like, okay, this 4 hour is sitting there. Maybe if we top that 4 hour before we get that rebalance, we can catch a mech short. That was kind of like my high time frame condition. Let's go to the 1 hour. All right, the 1 hour again, super overextended. I wanted us to rebalance this range, maybe in this 1 hour gap, maybe rebalance all the way down here, or maybe use these as targets as we can short towards them, or if we could just get a super aggressive rebalance, we could long off of it. Just conditions fucking playing, depending on what like market does is what I'm setting. But yeah, either I can long from them or short to them, don't know yet. 15 minute, this 15 minute gets created at that 10 a.m. This is another 15 minute. These two 15 minutes super important. Okay, now let's go to the entry time frame to cover the executions. All right, executionally, what was I looking for? Here we rebalance and we are just distributing, like we're disrespecting the 4 hour gap insanely. So I'm like, okay, we are clearly just, our draw is way higher to those external draws. We're not going to actually respect this bearish gap because we're like not reacting towards it from it. So I'm like, okay, whatever, our draw is higher. So I had already like that buy side marked out, so I wanted longs. Now my bias is flipped. I am fully bullish. Now what am I looking for? I'm really looking for that 10 a.m. I'm looking for that sponsored 15 minutes to actually get manipulated into, the one below here, because we already so overextended that I didn't want longs off of. Still, I think this gap was sponsored. However, I didn't want like longs off of it because I just didn't have enough conviction personally that premium gap was going to deliver us to our draw. I wanted us to actually rebalance this range, at least even tap it. So I waited. I know people took shorts off of the 15-minute gap tap. Low-key whack, in my opinion, just not good manipulation at all. It was the break-even trade, which I'm glad. So executionally, like, I get it. However, narrative-wise, it's just not high quality in my opinion. Like, we're not going to deliver a whole range, a whole high time frame, like off of a little 15-minute. Like, think about it, you know. Then this is a 5-minute. Right here, I know people took there was a 30-second that got swept and there was a re-entry, but okay, this 30-second I didn't like it again because the gap is premiumed. Then there was a 5-minute long here. Again, I don't like the targets. We're just targeting the draw, and I didn't want us to deliver from here, so I waited. This is about like 10